Sauk Prairie Police Detective charged with resisting or obstructing an officer appeared in court today. Joel Ludowitz had his initial appearance this morning in Sauk County Court. A signature bond for Ludowitz was set at $500. He was charged with knowingly obstructing an officer 7 months after he resigned from the department. According to a criminal complaint, he reported his vehicle stolen before it was involved in a hit-and-run crash on New Year's Eve. Ludowitz then resigned during an internal investigation into the crash. His pretrial conference is set for October 16th.